Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it is time to box up another card order. So let's go ahead and get started. You'll find these on my Etsy shop, and I'm gonna first go ahead and put some beautiful purple tissue paper in there, and we are going to put in 20 different handmade cards. So let's go ahead and get started. That is definitely a man card there. This one's a surprise card. When you get surprise cards like that, that's because they're not going to fit this way when I put my cards in. It's the envelope and then the card is right inside. So that must mean it is some type of fun fold. So that is a wedding card there. We've got the ever dreadful sympathy card. We've got a thanks card. We've got a nice little fall Halloween pumpkin card. A thinking of you card. A nice happy birthday card there. This one is a sending love and hugs. Another nice thinking of you. This is wishing you a lifetime of love. Great for a wedding. Of course, we always need some happy birthday cards. This is a fun card here. This has a congrats, you did it. And then when you open it, it's got that great sun there. So as you can see, that couldn't go in the card normally. So it goes in this way. And then we have another birthday, sending you birthday wishes. Wishing you all the best. One of my favorites, the little typewriter hello. A nice little Easter card. So you are gonna get like all throughout the year type of cards. And then some just because. And they are always different. They're not too many of the same exact cards. There's a nice Merry Christmas, and then this is a fun card here with another fun fold. And we'll put that one right in there. We're gonna go ahead and stick that one down there. We're going to have a nice little card, Beauty and the Stamper, and I'm going to grab one of my pens and we're going to write thank you for your support. I definitely appreciate when you guys support me and my channel, and then I will sign that. And there you go. We're going to stick that there, and then we're going to give the pen as well, because you always want to be able to sign. And this one says, I can do all things through Christ, which strengthens me. We'll put that right there. We're going to lock this guy up, and we're going to send it out. And of course, we want to know where they got their cards, and we're going to put a nice Beauty and the Stamper sticker right on there. So if you'd like to see this, the link is in the bio, and it is a mystery of cards. So thank you so much for your purchase today, and I will talk to you later. Bye.